I'm Mickey.
I'm Josh.
We're back. Look what we just got in. I've got a GMT Pepsi blue and red dial with card 2023.
Mickey, we got a, let's see, what year is this bad boy? We got I don't even know what year it is. I'm so excited. But we got the card here. Here is a 2018 Yachtmaster 2. That's the 44 millimeter big boy here, in all stainless steel. Super excited about. What do you got, Mickey?
I've got a 2023 Batgirl, meaning that it has the Jubilee bracelet, not the Oyster. 2023 Batgirl with card.
Woo! Look what I got. 41 millimeter with a motif dial. Super, super hard to get with card. This is a 2023. Beautiful, isn't that? All right.
I've got a 2022, basically stainless and gold Submariner with card as well. Josh, how about you?
2023 Bluesy with card and beautiful watch.
I've got a 2018 date just 41 millimeter, which is the big guy, not the 36, but a big 41 millimeter. And this one is a 2018. What you got, Josh?
Here we go. 42 millimeter polar dial with card 2022. Super hot watch.
I've got a little 26 millimeter for you ladies with a actual Roman dial, cream dial, stainless and gold with a new buckle bracelet on the back.
Bam! All right, 40, let's see, not 40. This is a 31 millimeter with a rhodium Roman dial. This is a 2017. It's a beautiful watch.
Let's see, I've got there's another Pepsi on a Jubilee bracelet. This one has card to it. Looks like that.
It looks like a 2021.
Well, let's see, on the SKU tag, 2021.
21,
You're right,
bingo.
Josh.
Brand new Starbucks. Just came in with card. Oh, nope, sorry, this is a 2021. But very well priced, $19,995.
I've got a 2023 stainless Submariner with card.
Nice.
And date.
41 millimeter with card, black dial. Gorgeous looking watch.
For you ladies, I've got another 26 millimeter with a mother of pearl diamond dial. It's two-tone model. This one is a 2012.
Loaded 31 millimeters, two-tone with the Jubilee bands.
Another stainless Submariner with the actual date on it, with the card.
Some more 26 millimeter mother pearl diamond dials, white dials. We got them all.
We are in the Rolex business, pre-owned Rolex business. Come see Mickey McGrath, timepiece manager, and
Josh Bernstein, sales manager at Bailey's.